Hello, I'm Dr. Dennis McCain. I'm the owner of Mid-California Taekwondo and a 6th-degree black belt. I'm the Senior Chief Instructor of our Taekwondo school located in Modesto, California, and I'm here to answer your question. Have you ever had to use your Taekwondo? The most important question might be asked, what have I had to do not to use my Taekwondo? Knowing when to use force and when to walk away is important in every situation. In several occasions, when it appeared that force may be necessary, I was able to find other means other than fighting to control the situation. On other occasions, as a police officer, confrontation and force were inevitable and necessary. On one occasion, it was necessary to use my personal skill to help a woman in distress. However, we teach our students that we should only engage in force or fighting when it's for the safety of our person or the safety of others, for our country, and when we have no other alternative. In other words, we do not want our students fighting for their ego. It's better not to fight, but it's also good that we know how to defend ourselves when circumstances leave us no choice. For further information, visit our website at www.mctkd-centers.com or call 209-595-7250. Thank you.